Hello and welcome to the new part of this tutorial series. In this tutorial we will learn about creating the camera control. So let's begin this. I'm going to create a new script. And now I will write the script for this camera folder. So what I will need at first is the position of the player. So I will get the player position from defining it. Let me just do this. And the second variable that I will be needing will be a vector 3 offset. In the update function, what I will do is transform the position of the camera to the place where the player is, so that camera will always follow the player. And I will get the position of the y-axis and z-axis of this camera as transform the position dot y and transform the position dot z. Save the script and go back to the Unity and go to the main camera and add this script to it. What you have to do is now go to the player and see this position at the x-axis. You just copy this and paste the value in the offset of the camera folder script. Now let me play this scene. Now you can see the camera is following the player quite nicely. Now the next thing what I need to do is create an endless platform. That is, I need to create endless ground. For this I will do a small trick, that is creating ground as a child of the main camera. Let me do this and play the scene. So you can see this, the platform is never gonna end. You can see this in the scene. The platform is moving forward along with the player. So this works out. So this is for this part of this tutorial.